In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add StayFocusd to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the extension installed and know exactly where to find the key controls to help you stay on task. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're in the profile where you want to use the extension so it shows up in the right place later. With Chrome open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official catalog for extensions, and using it ensures you're getting the legitimate version. Once you're in the store, use the search bar and type StayFocusd. You're looking for the productivity extension that helps limit time on distracting sites. When you see it in the results, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation will pop up asking for permission to add the extension. Click Add Extension again to confirm. Chrome will handle the rest, and the installation should complete almost instantly. After installation, look to the top right corner of Chrome near the address bar. You should see a small clock icon appear. That's StayFocusd. If it doesn't show up the very second you add it, give Chrome a brief moment to finish adding everything. When the icon is visible, click it. This opens the StayFocusd controls, where you can set time limits, block websites, and configure your focus settings. Setting time limits means choosing how much total time per day you're allowed to spend on sites you define as distractions. For example, if you set a daily limit, StayFocusd will count down while you browse those sites and then lock them once the limit is reached, helping you protect your most productive hours. Blocking websites lets you specify exactly which pages or domains you want to keep off limits. This is useful for the places you know tend to pull you off track. You're in control of what gets blocked, so you can keep access to the tools you actually need. Configuring focus settings fine-tunes how strict StayFocusd should be. Here, you can adjust behaviors like how the timer works and how the extension treats certain sites. These options help you tailor the experience so it supports your workflow without getting in the way. That's it. Open Chrome, head to the Chrome Web Store, search for StayFocusd, click Add to Chrome, confirm by clicking Add Extension, and then use the clock icon to set your limits, block distractions, and customize your focus. With those simple steps, you're ready to stay on task and make your time online more intentional.